There are golf courses, and then there are elite, world-renowned country clubs. What sets them apart most often are four things: real estate, luxury, aesthetics, and finally, the playing surface, a point of distinction within the exclusive culture of golf. That's the case with Southern Hills Country Club in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Founded in 1936, Southern Hills is a private member-owned course. It's recognized among the top 100 courses in the world and has hosted 15 major championships since 1946. One look at Southern Hills greens tells the whole story. Southern Hills is, and has been committed to, growing a variety of creeping bentgrass called Pure Distinction, generally accepted as the premier green surface for championship golf. But it's a cool season grass that requires special care in a southern climate, where Tulsa's hot summers can take a toll on playing surfaces. Bentgrass thrives in soil temperatures around 78 degrees Fahrenheit. The worst months are July and August, when soil temperatures can reach 90 degrees. A difference of just 5 degrees can be a concern. Hot weather, combined with sustained golf play, can really stress a green if it's not meticulously cared for. Hence, Southern Hills in 2016 decided to install a hydronic green warming and cooling system across 24 playing surfaces. The 300-acre property was closed for renovations in early 2018. From the beginning, the concept was to run hydronic tubing under the green surface. Cooling was the priority, though having the ability to warm the soil would extend the playing season and permit more maintenance. The question quickly became, how do we provide chilled and warm water? Geothermal was ruled out due to expense, as was boiler and chiller design, which would have required running gas lines and three-phase power throughout the property, in separate trenches. Then, during a site visit, Technical Systems, or TSI, a division of Ray Corporation, proposed using custom air-to-water heat pumps, one piece of equipment to heat and cool the greens instead of boilers and chillers. The main difference between this project and a normal air-to-water heat pump application was having to pump water long distances to any given green. A low-pressure system was needed, but hot or cold water still needed to be pumped economically through 9,000 linear feet of tubing. The biggest logistical consideration with heat pumps was the challenge for three-phase power at each of the 24 greens and practice surfaces. The challenge was to see if a few large custom heat pumps could serve numerous greens. The greens required 3.5 tons of cooling per 1,000 square feet. This would allow soil temperatures to be lowered by 15 degrees, maintaining between 65 and 80 degrees throughout the year. The proposal ended up with 4 heat pumps serving the entire course: a 200-ton, 133-ton, 123-ton, and 110-ton pump. The heat pumps were custom designed to meet Southern Hills requirements. Each unit contains multiple compressors and refrigerant circuits, modulating up or down to match a changing load. Fans are ECM powered, offering high efficiency, variable speed control, and low noise operation. Sound insulating covers were installed on the compressors and louvers, and off-site control is provided by a full DDC control system. Each of the 4 TSI air-to-water heat pumps also have an integrated variable flow pump located in an insulated cabinet, along with a brazed plate heat exchanger and control valves, eliminating outdoor pump skids or the need for separate mechanical rooms. From the chiller, golf course irrigation specialist installed 2-inch polyurethane supply and return pipe to remote manifolds. Each of the copper Watts manifolds is contained inside an underground manifold box. From here, 3/4-inch Watts radiant PERT tubing is installed below the sod level. This provides a 35 to 45 GPM flow rate to the green, depending on the size of the green surface. PERT was used in place of PEX for 2 reasons: lower cost and greater flexibility. The grounds crews laid 200,000 lineal feet, or almost 38 miles, of oxygen barrier tubing across 150,000 square feet of treated area. This includes 18 championship greens, practice greens, and a 3-hole short game area. Green construction was the most time-consuming part of the project and cost around $60,000 per green. Each started with 4-inch herringbone drains cut into the subgrade, or base soil, approximately 18 inches below the turf. 4 inches of pea gravel was laid over the base. Over that, radiant PERT tubing was laid at 9-inch centers. The final layer is a greens mix of sand and peat, and then the green was seeded with creeping bentgrass. The hydronic system installed at Southern Hills will pay dividends year-round. It's a major differentiating factor for Southern Hills as it allows for more play and higher quality services.